Hello there, peoples. This is just a short video on how to either fix or install Bluetooth drivers into your Kali Linux. Although it probably work with Linux Mint and whatever as well, no doubt. But let's get to it. So you want to open up your terminal, which is Control Alt and T, or you can go to here and do it, whatever. Right, so now you got your terminal open, and I've done this for quickness. I'll put these commands in the description below, so you can basically just copy and paste it to your terminal, save you time. So start off with number 2, just highlight that, and right click it, and click copy. And then right click over in your terminal and click paste selection, which is here. Then hit enter, then type in your password, then hit enter and let it do its stuff. And then you go to the next one down, which is here, and copy that. And then right click over here and click paste selection again, then hit enter, then wait till it's done. Then you want to do this one here, third one down as I put here, then do it again, because you've got to do this to enable it now. So right click there, click copy, and then click paste selection, then hit enter, and that should be basically it. So your Bluetooth should be running, hopefully. If no, well, I did my best and it worked for me, because I done this about an hour ago. Because I had to redone my computer, cleared it out and that, so I had to reinstall everything. So I figured I might as well make a video while I'm installing stuff again. But as you can see, my Bluetooth is working sound. It's connected right now. So anyway, hope this video was useful to you. Peace out. Hope you have a lovely day or night wherever you are.